This is a worst-case scenario, folks. It truly can't get any worse than this. We have an easy F4, probably F5 tornado with winds well over 200 miles an hour in Oklahoma City. Right now, you have to be underground, folks. There's no other way to put it. We have a May 3rd type tornado.
Unprecedented tornado on the direct path to downtown Oklahoma City. This is a mass casualty situation. Tornado emergency for the Oklahoma City metro and downstream areas. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, central Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, east central Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely violent tornado was observed over southwestern Oklahoma City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the Oklahoma City metro and downstream areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, extremely deadly tornado. Source, multiple sources confirm tornado. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a NOAA X-band polarimetric mobile radar estimated wind speeds within this tornado to be exceeding 295 miles per hour. Impact, you will almost certainly be killed if not underground or in a FEMA-rated tornado shelter. Entire neighborhoods, roadways, and nearly all above-ground structures will be completely swept away. Many high-rise or large multi-story commercial and residential buildings will be irreparably damaged and pushed to near total collapse. Debris will block all roadways left remaining. Mass devastation